now to the breaking news coming in regarding the NEET postgraduate new examination dates that have been announced. Now the exam will be held on the 11th of August and it will be conducted in 2 shifts. Remember, the NEET PG exam had been cancelled for this year after the NEET controversy erupted. The PG exam will now be held on the 11th of August in 2 shifts.
Well, you see, this examination was to be conducted on June 23rd, but just few hours before that, on June 22nd, if you remember, around 9:45, this notice had come in from National Board of Examination that they are postponing this examination. And Health Ministry that time had said that this is as a precautionary measure, because remember that time there were several incidents related to NEET UG and also cancellation of UGC NET as well. And keeping that in mind, the Health Ministry had postponed this examination, and they had said that they regret the inconvenience that was caused to the students, because we spoke to a lot of students that were to give this examination the very next day, and they told us that they had travelled from far off places to give this examination, and the sudden and last moment postponement had actually they were quite irked by that. So now this is a big relief for the medical students. Next month, that is on August 11th, this examination, that is NEET PG, that is for admission into the medical courses, postgraduate medical courses, will take place in 2 shifts. What will be the mode of the examination is something that remains to be seen. But right now, the news that is coming in from National Board of Examination is that the exam that was postponed on June 23rd, that was to take place then, will now be conducted on August 11 in 2 shifts.